All right, the drink we're about to make is called Captain's Treasure. And this is a shot, so you want to grab a couple shot glasses, find a friend to do the shot with, or just do both of them on your own. It's totally up to you. First thing we're going to do is get our Captain Morgan Spice rum for the Captain's Treasure. And maybe you have a little captain in you. But you're about to after this shot. And we're going to fill it the rest of the way with Goldschlager. This is the treasure. Get our gold flakes floating around in there. And that is going to be the captain's treasure right there. So if you want to try to sift out all those pieces of gold with this shot, maybe catch them in your teeth, and give yourself a grill, that might be a good idea. But there's one important thing when you do this shot. You want to take it down with a friend, and I'm not going to take it myself right now, but you got to make sure you yell out a good, healthy, "Arr!" Bottoms up.